Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Candy Crush on Scratch. First, let's get our project set up. Begin by opening Scratch and starting a brand new project. You'll need to create several sprites, ideally 5 or more, to represent your different candy types. Think about making them distinct in color and shape. Then, design a game board, perhaps an 8x8 grid, where your candies will reside. Now, let's get those candies appearing and falling. Program your candy sprites to generate randomly at the top of your game board. Once generated, they should fall downwards, simulating gravity, until they hit another candy or the bottom of the grid. Make sure your code continuously fills the top row with new candies as spaces become available, keeping the game board full and dynamic. The core of Candy Crush is matching, so let's tackle that. You'll need to write scripts that detect when 3 or more identical candies are aligned horizontally or vertically. Once a match is found, those candies should disappear from the board. As a bonus, implement a simple scoring system, perhaps awarding 10 points for each cleared candy to give players a goal. Finally, let's add the interactive swapping and refine the game logic. Enable players to click and drag adjacent candies to swap their positions. Crucially, only allow a swap if it immediately creates a match of 3 or more. Consider adding game over conditions, like running out of moves, and perhaps even simple level progression to make your Candy Crush game truly engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.